Hello, welcome to Anita the Pedagogue channel. Today we are looking at a quiz on the poem The Color of God by V.B. Aakye. We have 10 multiple choice questions in total. Let's get started with question 1. What type of poem is The Color of God? A. Sonnet. B. Ballad. C. Free verse. D. Elegy. C. Free verse. Which theme does the speaker project by intentionally using the imagery of various colors? A. Beauty of the rainbow. B. Racism. C. Difference between black and white. D. God is pure. B. Racism. What narrative point of view does the speaker use to draw the reader or audience to the poem? A. Omniscient point of view. B. Third person. C. First person. D. Second person. D. Second person. The main conflict in the poem is about A. God has chosen some people and rejected others. B. The rainbow and the rose are equal. C. Some groups or people believe they are superior to others. D. The colors believe they are all equal. C. Some groups or people believe they are superior to others. What does the rainbow symbolize in the poem? A. Beauty of nature. B. Peace and joy. C. Unity of all races. D. Religious people in the world. C. Unity of all races. Why does the speaker make reference to the rose, emerald, damask, and aquamarine? A. To show the diversity of God. B. To show the power of God. A. To show the diversity of God. What is the literary device in this expression? Why should he be black or white, or green, or yellow, or even red? A. Rhetorical question. B. Personification. C. Irony. D. Metaphor. A. Rhetorical question. Laughs the rose is an example of what literary device? A. Paradox. B. Simile. C. Hyperbole. D. Personification. D. Personification. All these are themes of the color of God except A. All human races are equal. B. God is faithful. C. Unity. D. Religious tolerance. B. God is faithful. According to the poem, does God have a particular color? A. No. B. Yes. A. No. Well, this brings us to the end of our quiz on the Color of God poem. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also, share with me your scores in the comment section.